We got the dreaded beep from our tire pressure monitoring system today. Fortunately, it was right as we were pulling into one of the best gas stations, a very spacious Maverick. Kyle got out our power wash soap spray and didn't really even need to because we have a screw in the tire. It's now time for us to get out our spare and take that cover off. After driving nearly 21,000 miles without incident, it's time to take this baby off and put her back on and be a real tire. First, Kyle's going to fill up some air. Thanks Grandpa Dave for this handy pump. And check just to make sure this one doesn't have any leaks. No leaks. Next, we built a ramp to allow the back tire to come off the ground. This required me to slowly build up the ramp on the first tire and taking away the blocks from the second tire so that only the first tire stays on the blocks and the second tire will eventually be off the ground and freely able to spin. Once the tire got loose, Kyle started to loosen the lug nuts. We did put some blocks underneath to prevent it from spinning because they were a little tight. Next, we wheeled our spare tire over and popped that baby on. Don't forget to take your tire pressure monitor off the flat tire and put it on your spare tire. Kyle put the lug nuts back on. And then tightened them in a star pattern because that is his favorite shape. Just kidding. Next, we are going to build our ramp down so that both tires can be on the ground. Don't forget as the front tire comes down to remove the blocks so the back tire doesn't run into them. Now we are going to use our air compressor and jacker to fully inflate the tire. And lastly, we will put our flat tire on the back until we can get it replaced.
Super proud of my husband right now. I'm so glad that he was able to get the tire change. He just knows exactly what to do and he just has the best way of doing things and he got us in and out and now we are ready to go on with the rest of our trip and our journey home